welcome back to our channel. I'm going to do unboxing of my order. So I ordered this last end of November, but because of the Christmas rush, it just arrived today. So today is January 11th. I actually ordered a tarp and a tent. This is my first time to order online of a tarp, and I already have one tarp, so I'm collecting equipment now for my hobbies. So now I am gonna open this box. This is the one that I ordered on Amazon, and I know for sure this is a tarp. Okay, I'm just gonna open it. Okay, yeah. I will be using this for our winter camping, or just an ordinary camping if I don't want to bring a tent. Okay, yeah, shows here XL. So if I will take this, I have to prepare for a pole, pegs, and rope. It depends. This is really huge. Yeah. So quality is good so far. I will try to use this coming Saturday. This coming Saturday, we will go to Elk Island National Park, and I think we will go there for 2 nights. I don't know. It depends if how cold it is. But first of all, we will try just 1 night, and then if we can survive for the 1 night, then we will have to extend for another night. Yeah, so I will be using this coming Saturday. This one arrived also today, and I know for sure that I ordered a tent. According to the review, this tent is a 10-second tent to put up. And I also ordered a mattress, like a blown mattress for camping. I'm gonna open it now. I'm actually looking for like a carry-on tent, because I prefer backpacking. So let's see if this is good. Oh yeah, so this is the mattress that I ordered. Yeah, some more. Actually, we already have 2 of these, so 1 of each for me and Nicolas. But then he was complaining that it's not that, the insulation is not that good. So I ordered this for him. And then we will try this as well this coming this coming Saturday. I don't know. Maybe this will be good. Yeah. Okay. Put this here. I'm just gonna blow it to check the quality. Actually, I'm checking all our air mattresses. So this one, the back, you can see that this is an air mattress. I blown it up because we will use this coming Saturday. So this is it, guys. Yeah. There's the bag. And it says that this is just a 10 seconds tent. The inside, which is way spacious. Okay, see, there's a, yeah. Oh, is this okay, so you can actually see there's a window. Yeah, I like it. I like it. Then we have this pocket. Yeah, and I can put a lantern here. Okay. So it's a bit hard because I couldn't understand the manual, but eventually I figured it out because this is in Chinese calligraphy. So this is a bit spacious, so I can use this for our backpacking. It's a bit bulky, but it's light, so yeah. Anyway, if me and Nicholas will do the hike, this is better. We have a lot of space, but I'm not sure if this is really good. I'm so happy. This is actually my this is my 5th tent. I have the 13 persons tent, which is for family, and then I have the 5-person tent, and then this is 2 to 3 person tent. But if you will see there's no space really for myself here, so maybe this is only good for 2-person tent, for 6-footer, and then you will just lie down diagonal. Yeah, so happy. Ooh. So it's actually a two door there and here. So if it's raining or if it's cold, you can just close this. And if it's summer and it's really hot in here, you can just use this mesh. Unfortunately, the queen air mattress will not fit in here. Or maybe I can try. I'll try to put it in. Yeah, so this comes with a carrying bag. So as I've said earlier, I can take this for our backpacking, but it's a bit bulky, but it's light. And so there's a carrying bag, there's a pegs. How many pegs? 8 pegs and a rope. Yeah. This is actually good for 3 to 4 person tent. But because Nicholas is a giant and he's 6'6", so what are we going to do here is we will just sleep horizontally. Yeah, horizontal. Okay, if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.